Hello, welcome. Now I'm going to show you how my mini calculator program works in C. So, as you can see here, this is the codes that I created. This is all of the codes that on my program. So I'm going to run my program now in CodeJam, the website of CodeJam, and on the playground of CodeJam. So now I'm going to run the program. So okay, I'm going to run again. So now, as you can see here, I can choose different operations that I can select. So now I'm going to choose first addition operation. As you can see here, maybe okay. So I'm going to input two numbers. For example, 100 is 90. Enter. I'm going to enter. As you can see here, it showed me the sum. So the sum from the two numbers that I input is 190 because 100 plus 90 is 190. So the program repeats again to ask me to choose an operation again because in my program here in my mini program calculator program I used loop so that my program will continuously ask me to choose any operations again in the future as uh, unless I choose number 8 because for me to be able to end my program I need to choose number 8. The only way is to choose number 8. So if I choose number 8, the program will the program will the program will end. Okay. So now I'm going to choose another operation again. So this time I think I'm going to run it again. So this time I'm going to choose the second operation, which is subtraction operation. Number 2. I'm going to press number 2. And I'm going to enter two numbers again. For example, 20 minus 5. Or enter. So as we can see here, showed me the correct difference. The difference in the result is 15. Okay, so the 15 because 20 minus 15 is 15. So my as we can see, my subtraction operation is properly working. Now I'm going to enter again. I'm going to choose the third operation, which is multiplication operation. As we can see here, third operation, multiplication operation. Then I'm going to enter two numbers again. For example, we got 20 times 2. So I'm going to press enter. So as you can see here, here's the result, the answer, the product, which is 40. Because 20 times 2 is 40. So as we can see, my multiplication operation in my program is properly working. Now I'm going to move on and choose the fourth division, which is the fourth operation, which is division. As you can see, I press number 4. I'm going to enter two numbers, which is, for example, 20 or 100 time divided by 10. Okay, I'm going to press enter. So as we can see here, this is the result, which is the quotient, and this is the result, number 10. So as we can see, because 100 divided by 10 is 10. So this is correct. My program showed me the correct answer again from the division operation that we choose. So now I'm going to move on, and again I'm going to choose a different operation again, which is the power operation. So I'm going to choose I need to enter two numbers. example numbers. So example 20, or maybe or 5 and 2, 5 to the power 2. Now I'm going to press enter. As we can see here, this is the result of our operation, which is 25, because 5 to the power of 2 is equal to 25, because 5 times 5, 5 multiplied by itself 2 times is equal to 25. So as we can see here, it showed the program, my program showed us the correct result. So now I'm going to move on. I'm going to try a different operation, which is number 6, which is square root. As we can see here, number 6, square root. So now I'm going to press enter. Then I'm going to input only one number, because for us to be able to calculate our square root is we only need one number. So now I'm going to choose 10. So this is the result, 3. The square root of 10 is 3.16, as we can see here. So this is the result of our calculation of square root, because the square root of 10 is exactly 3.16. So as we can see, my program, the square root operation on my program is properly working. And now I'm going to choose the number 7 choice, which is history. Now I'm going to press number 7. Then I'm going to for me to be able to show my history, my program just needs two numbers, not unrelated to any calculation. It just needs to it just wants me to input two numbers for it to display the history of my calculations. So for example, to any numbers. Okay, so now I input two numbers. So now my program showed me the result of our calculations. As you can see here, the first calculation that we made, calculation number 1, it showed me the numbers that I input on the calculation number 1. So now the first number that I input is 20, the second number that I input is 5, and the result is 15, because the operation that I chose on calculation number 1 is addition. So that is the result. On the calculation number 2 is I chose division, and the first number that I input is 20, the second number that I input is 2, and the result is 40. Third calculation, then same as on the calculation number 1, it showed me also the history of my calculations. So as you can see here, the calculation number 3, and so on. And so same on the next calculations that we can see here. It shows me all of the history of my calculations in my program based on the different operations that I chose. Okay, so now I'm going to move on, and I'm going to finally choose a different the last choice, which is exit. Okay, now I'm going to choose exit 8. So I think I pressed something that made it not run properly, but